Good morning, my dear students. Class, today we will do this eighth question of exercise number 12.3. I skipped this question before, I believe, so I am explaining this again. So, class, in this there is a given figure racing track whose left and the right ends are semicircular, that you can see here. This is a semicircular, and the distance between two inner, that is distance between these two inner one is 60. This is given, and the parallel lines, distance between these two parallel line is 60, it is given, and they are each, this parallel line is 106 and 106. Now we have to calculate the length of the inner track, inner one. So for that there is a figure, you can see this figure, and one more thing is given, that if the track width is 80 meter, find the distance and the area. So class, you can see this figure, this is the outer track, this one, this is the inner track, the width between them is 10, this is 10, 10, 10, all over it is 10, this distance. The length of the parallel one is 106, that is, this is also 106 and this is also 106. This is the semicircular, this is the semicircular. This distance is 60. So this semicircle has the radius as 30, inner one, and outer one, if we talk about the outer one, this is 10 as a width. So this will be from here to here, it will be 40. This radius will be 40 as they have shown here. Now we have completed the diagram. Now we have to get the inner length. So inner length, class, this is the semicircle. Perimeter of semicircle is pi r. So this pi r plus this pi r plus this pi r plus 106 and 106, 106 and 106, we will get, on adding all this we will get the length. Radius we will take here for inner one. If they have asked for outer one, then it will be 40, but they have asked for the inner one, so it will be 30. You can see that this is 30 radius of inner one. So this we are going to apply. Now they have applied the same. First of all, this arc AB, they have taken this one AB, that is 106. Then this one arc, first length AB, then this one arc BEC, this is pi r, then this DC pi r, then DLA, DFA is pi r. So overall they have used 2 pi r upon 2, that is semicircle ka आधा, this one only. So similarly we can do the rest. So 106, then 2 pi r divided by 2 pi r, 106, 2 pi r divided by pi r. So in this way we can calculate and we can get the length of the inner track. Now the second question, if you see, second question says area of the track. This area we have to determine, this area, this one area. So how we will do? So class, for that what we are going to do, you see this I am making for you. This is the inner track and this is the outer track. So class, if you will see, This is a semi ring, this one, semi ring. This is also a semi ring, and this is the rectangle. This is a rectangle. So overall, what we analyze, area will be area of two semi ring, 2 into half into pi capital R square minus small r square. This is the area of the ring. So half means half ring, but there are two rings, so this 2 into 1 upon 2 pi r square, pi r square. This r is 40, this r is 30. In this way we will get the area of two semi rings plus area of two rectangles, 106 multiplied 10 plus 106 multiply 10. How I am doing this multiply 10? Class, if you see this ring, if you see this rectangular part, the length is 106 and breadth is 10. So length into breadth, that's why that will be used. So that's all class, this question you complete today, and after that we will have to go with the revision. Firstly we will go with the revision of chapter number 2. I will give you some questions today only, and you will try and attempt those questions, then we will proceed. That's all class.